Hi there. If you've been thinking about adding air conditioning to your garage, you're definitely not alone. More and more homeowners are turning their garages into usable spaces. Home gyms, workshops, even offices. And cooling that space is a big part of making that work. Whether you're looking for comfort or just trying to keep your storage and tools from overheating, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll talk about 3 key things. Number 1, should you go with a full AC system or just a garage fan? Number 2, what types of AC systems are out there and how to choose the right one? Number 3, tips to make sure your setup runs efficiently from day one. Before you start shopping for anything, ask yourself, what am I actually using my garage for? If you're planning to turn it into a gym, a home office, or a workshop, you'll likely want to fully cool that space. That's where a proper AC system comes in. But if you're just trying to lower the temperature a bit, maybe to protect your tools, electrical vehicle charger, or storage bins, then a garage fan might be all you need. Garage fans are a great option and a pretty cost-effective one. They won't give you precise climate control like an AC system would, but they would help move the air around and get rid of that excess heat. However, if you're planning to really utilize that space, you're going to need a proper AC system. So let's talk about that. There are 3 main types of air conditioning systems commonly used for garages. The first is a mini split system. Mini splits are a great option if you plan to use the space regularly. They're ductless, energy efficient, and reliable in extreme heat. They do cost a bit more up front, but they give you a long-term comfort without destroying your energy bill. They're also ideal for larger garages or spaces that need consistent cooling. Next, we have window units. They're affordable and fairly easy to install, but here in Arizona, most garages don't have a window, so they're not always an option. That said, if your garage does have a compatible window, this could be a solid choice, especially if you're working with a small or mid-sized space. The third option is a portable AC unit. Portable AC units are tempting because they're a plug-and-play, budget-friendly, but even in smaller garages, they often struggle to keep up, especially in Arizona heat. They tend to run constantly, barely cool a room, and drive up energy costs. Now, before choosing one of these systems, you need to assess your garage layout. Ask yourself, what's the size of your garage? Is it insulated? Does it have proper ventilation? Do you have a window or an exterior facing wall? All of these factors play a major role in determining which system will work best for you. Choosing the wrong one could lead to poor cooling and higher utility bills. Once you've got a clear idea of your garage layout and your needs, you can start looking around for the unit you want. And when you do, here are 3 key factors to look for in any garage air conditioner. Number 1 is BTU output. This tells you how much cooling power the unit has. The higher the number, the more powerful the AC unit. Number 2 is energy efficiency ratings. Mini splits have high efficiency ratings, which is great and will help you keep your energy costs low. And number 3 are those extra features you might want, things like a remote control, heating feature, or smart controls that add convenience and year-round functionality. So now that you know the types of systems and what to look for when shopping for a new unit, let's finish with a couple of tips. First, regular maintenance. Make sure to clean or replace your filters, check for any air leaks, and schedule routine maintenance if needed. A well-maintained system runs more efficiently, lasts longer, and saves you money in the long run. Second, proper installation. This one is huge. Even the best AC unit won't work well if not installed correctly. You need to choose the right size for the garage, place it in the right location, and make sure the installation is sealed properly. Poor installation can reduce cooling, waste energy, or even damage your unit. That's why I always recommend hiring a professional, like Parker&Sons, for the job. Not only can we install, but we can recommend the right type of unit or garage fan to suit your needs. And that's it! Adding an air conditioner to your garage can be a total game changer, and a great way to add more usable space to your home. So, if you live in Phoenix or the Tucson area, give Parker&Sons a call. We'd love to help make your garage a more comfortable space. Thanks for watching.